We are going to offer a new course related to programming language, more specifically related to Java programming language, and here we want to learn how data structures and algorithms using Java programming environment can be done. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. So, me Debasis from IIT Kharagpur. Possibly you know me regarding the running NPTEL course, which is very popular, the programming in Java. So, this course can be treated as an advanced course of the previous course programming in Java. So, I just want to give a brief about objective of this course. In other words, in what way the students who will join this course will be benefited. First of all, I will to mention that India, as per the reports worldwide, is the one best exporter in the field of software. That means there is a huge revenue India can earn by exporting software. That is the one strength of Indian economy. Now, regarding these things, software development, I would like to say the industries worldwide which programming languages are following. There are many programming languages are known at the moment, as you know, and an interesting fact is that out of so many programming languages, the Java programming language is unique and is top ranked programming languages. Not only it is in top, but it is top with a huge margin with its competitor like say C++, C programming or any other. Java programming language therefore is the one important what is called the programming environment which every software practitioner should follow in her endeavor. Now, Java programming language however has lot of features. That lot of feature is not that intentional, rather it is a compulsion from the Java developer so that it can cater to the need of different requirements. As a consequence, the Java programming environment or the product which is developed using Java is very much popular among the software or IT giant, whatever the IT giant you know, Google, Intel, and then many software product developer, mobile Android developer, whatever it is, they are following the Java programming environment to develop the applications for their areas. Now, so question is that we understand that Java really is a very useful one platform and it is highly popular or highly appreciated by the different IT giant. Considering these things, we introduced the NPTEL course. It is in the year January 2019, first time it was launched, and it was successively last 3 semesters run with the highest enrollment record. So, it has been appreciated not by the IT entrepreneurs, not by the software practitioners, but as well as the students, and they have favored these subjects like anything. So, in continuation we received many requests from the different stakeholders, from the different faculty members in different engineering colleges, the students, they said that why we do not have another advanced version. Now, so far this advanced version is concerned, it basically propelled us to think about how the advanced features of Java programming language can be better fulfilled. Now, to do these things, we plan that the programming language, whatever the strength of it, can be better exploited with certain computer science and engineering background. At the same time, we also feel that many students who usually are interested to see themselves as a software developer may not be from the computer science and engineering background. So, considering these things, what is our plan is that give an idea, give a course so that the students, particularly the non-CSE background, can cope with the current need. So, that is why the data structures and algorithms have been considered to be studied in the form of Java programming languages. What I want to say in other words is that not only programming can be a good what is called the skill set for any software professional. In addition to programming, a good programmer, rather a good software engineer should be proficient with data structures and algorithm. So, a software is basically an amalgamation of programming and data structures and algorithms. So, this is why this course has been planned. Now, this course is now, I hope I can reach to the objectives that I want to have. Now, this course initially planned to cover all major topics, those are there in the subjects data structures and algorithm, which will be covered here. At the same time, how those data structures and algorithms can be implemented using Java programming will be covered. We are sure that this plan definitely helps the students to improve their skills and coping with the current demand of IT industries. With this skill set, we are sure they will be able to solve many problems related to the industry application and also the field of studies where the students or academics are involved. Now, I just want to give a brief about the target audiences who can be benefited from this course. As I have already told that this course is initially planned for all students, those are in their UG studies or postgraduate studies or research scholars. Also, the course is suitable for the academicians who are teaching the CS and IT related subjects in their colleges. Also, the course will be helpful for the students who recently graduated and searching for their job. In addition, this course will be highly suitable for the industry practitioners, those are working in industries, join the industries, but does not have adequate knowledge about programming as well as data structure or software building. However, we need a basic prerequisites for the course. These prerequisites definitely will help them to cope with the subjects very fast. Without prerequisite, you can, but you have to work hard, of course. The first prerequisite that is required is that you should have basic knowledge of programming in Java. I should say basic level, basic knowledge in the sense that core programming. If you have the programming experiences in other language like C and C++, it will also be benefited for you. In that case, programming in Java is not so much desirable, but this is the secondary prerequisite. The first prerequisite is programming in Java. Basic concept of data structures and algorithms, if you have, it is very nice. Otherwise, we will cover from very beginners, from the scratch level, the concept of data and algorithm. So, without any knowledge also it will be useful for you. So, these are the prerequisites. I told you, if you have, it will be better for you to cope with the subjects. Now, I will come to the organization of the course. This course is basically a 12 weeks course which will be spanned over 3 months at a continuous range, and the 12 weeks course will cover 60 small lectures, each of 30 minutes duration approximately. In this course, we will cover basic about the data structure, its concept and theory, certain principles which are necessary, and then implementation of them using of your own programming concepts as well as Java packages. Java provides very fantastic certain packages to cope with the data structures and algorithms. So, we will cover basic theory of the data structures, implementation of those data structures in Java programming environment, and finally realization of the data structures using the Java facilities, Java framework. Now, the overall course consists of 15 modules which I have listed in this table. As you see in these 15 modules, we will cover basic things, those are very important, namely generic programming, Java collection framework, which basically is an essential package to realize many data structures and algorithmic concept, basic data structure concept like arrays, linked list, stack, queue, trees, tables, sets, graphs will be covered. Finally, file is an important concept when you are dealing with data, so it will be covered. Now, algorithms, although there are many algorithms to cover, we will consider those are the frequently occur very popular algorithms related to the searching and sorting. So, algorithms will be covered. Finally, the course will be concluded with string. String is a very important concept in Java. The string and miscellaneous utilities, those are there in Java. So, this will make sense about the complete concepts about the software development using Java programming environment. And these are the 12 weeks plan. I have just listed week wise different topics which will be covered. You can check it that how we can organize the entire what is called the contents spread throughout the different weeks and the different modules that I have just explained. Now, with this I want to take a leave right now and hope you will find it suitable for your career progress, what is called the career advancement. Further, if you have any questions or any queries, you can feel free to approach to me so that I can resolve your doubts or any clarification. Thank you very much.